What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo Power 1500 back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Thank y'all again for tuning in to Red Key TV. Y'all see my baby Ava behind me looking good. I've done quite a few mods. This video is about to be short and sweet. Just a couple details that I want to lay in because I finally done switched them tires out. I know y'all heard me talking about them Venom power tires, them Terra Hunters, and they were horrible for my truck. Finally got those things off, got me a set of amps, same tire size. I went with the 35 by 13.5 R24, and these things ride phenomenally better, like way better. Only thing about these versus the other one is these are louder. These are way louder, but I've actually got accustomed to that. When I do these videos, as soon as I put a new piece of product on the truck, I don't like to do a video immediately because then I can't give you a real review. So I wait a little bit of time, do a little bit of riding around, driving the truck. I've had these on here for about 3 weeks, maybe a month now. And yeah, they are way better. All that vibration and everything done, gone. Let's see. I was having the vibration issue. The tires on the other one, they were way quieter. So that was a good thing. I actually have a set of, in the background, those aren't the same exact tires. So the tires that I did have, I posted up on Facebook Market, and I was gonna, let them go for, a good deal to somebody else. And a guy hit me up and he was like, hey man, you have the tire size I need. I got those same exact tires you have, except I have them in 37s. He was like, they won't fit on the truck. I need tires, so I'll give you my 37s if you give me those 24s. Just a fair out trade, no money. So I got a brand new set over here. So these are on my Facebook Market page. So if you're in the Jacksonville area and you want to pick them up and you want some tires for a decent price, hit me up and we'll do the negotiating. Right now, I think I have them posted for about 15, 16. They're brand new. They are, I think, $17.30 from custom offsets if you get them delivered to your door. So they're brand new. I have them, and I'll let them go for about $1,500. So if you want them, you can have them. They ain't doing nothing but sitting in my garage. Now, the good thing about those is there's 37s. I can't fit 37s on this truck just yet, but maybe after a while I will. And I'll try them out. I'll throw one on there and test fit my fitting for some 37s on here instead of 35s, because I ultimately want to go 37s on this monster. She is so beautiful. But yeah, man, that's really just about it for it. Like, not a long video, not anything crazy. Like I said, man, I'm not trying to do the whole be a YouTuber thing. I like to bring information when information is needed. And if I don't need to give y'all information, I don't do it. So I am going to do a lighting mod update on all the lights I have on the truck. Because if you've seen any of my other videos, I have actual Lighting Trends Underglow. I have rock lights. I have my own custom all white LEDs underglow alongside of my Lighting Trends. I have new things that I haven't shown y'all. I have a light bar down here. I went and got me a new grill, and there's a light bar in there. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of mods. All my lights have been tinted to yellow. I like this yellow look. Really makes the road yellow at nighttime. It's amazing because those lights are stupid bright. But I'm doing an update, probably either a lighting update or a complete every mod I've done to this truck update, so people can see what all I've done to my 1500 and basically be like, hey man, this is about what I spent. This is about what it cost me so far to do what I've done. And I'm loving it. I'm loving this truck. I finally feel like I'm doing something that I want to do again. For y'all that have been on the channel since the Hellcat days, shoot, for some of y'all that have been on the channel since the RT days, the Scat Pack days, then the Hellcat days, even seen the Jeep come on here to make an appearance for a little bit. It was a hard pill to swallow once the Hellcat was gone, but I finally feel like I'm building something again that I like to build, and I got some ideas still. I got some stuff coming forward in the next couple of weeks, man. This truck's gonna look amazing. So I appreciate everybody that supports this channel. Like I said, if there's anything that you want to see, shoot me in the DMs, shoot me on Instagram, just shoot me a message real quick. Let me know, leave me a comment, and just tell me what you think about the truck. Please be respectful. I'm trying to be respectful of everybody's builds. I don't really get too much hate, so I thank God for that. But yeah, man, until next time, I'm mad.